Hi, Matt Capell. Hey, we get asked often, how long have you been in business? And I'm the owner of Capell Flooring and Interiors here in Meridian, Idaho. So just to answer that briefly, our business was started actually in, I say 1974, but it was late December 1973 by my mother, Bonnie Capell. It started off as a kind of a small thing, and she did that part-time. And then it slowly got bigger and bigger, and my father, who taught at Boise State most of my life, he actually started working with her, I believe it was in 1996, and from there it got bigger and things started to progress and become more of a big, flooring store. And then my sister started working with them and some other people throughout the years, and I actually started working with them in December of 2002, and since then, and then I actually became the owner in January of 2008. So at the time of the recording of this video, I've been the owner for 10 years, and we've been in the Treasure Valley for a long, long time, since 1974. So I used to joke that we were the Treasure Valley's best kept secret, but I would argue that the secret's out. Please come see us. We're just here in Meridian, or give us a phone call, and I'll put that down below. And thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon.